Hello guys, this is Pinay Pahi sa American again. Today, magbablog tayo sa preparation ng anak ko sa winter snow season. So, nagbili ako sa kanya ng attire para sa snow. And then, if the snow will come and thick and more snow, so binilhan ko siya ng attire para mag-slide at saka mag-sleigh kami sa snow. And then, every week of her school, mayroon silang mga costume every week. So, binilihan ko rin din sila. So, guys, go and enjoy and I show you her snow costume. That is, somebody is ready for snow. And then, para maglaro sila doon sa labas. And then, the attire that she gonna wear every day in school for the Christmas week, 11 days of Christmas, okay? Okay, enjoy, guys.
Mommy, I have already gone.
Later, don't show that. Okay, guys, ito, guys, yung reindeer niya, guys. Yung reindeer niya na costume, guys. Isusuot niya ito sa Tuesday. Sa Tuesday, ito isusuot niya, guys. Can you stay away? This one, ito yung niya, costume niya na reindeer. Sa Tuesday daw ito. Sa Tuesday daw ito, guys. So, and then yung pants, ito yung pants niya, candy cane. Reindeer na may candy cane na pants. And then, yung ugly, niya, ugly sweaters ng anak ko, ito yung isusuot niya, ugly sweaters. Ugly sweaters ng anak ko, isusuot niya ito, or she gonna wear this on December 18, the last day of school. December 18. Ito yun, guys. Kaya nga, guys, if you have a kids, your kids is always the prioritize, with the black leggings, with the ugly sweaters. And then, she gonna wear an elf. She gonna wear an elf on Wednesday. She gonna wear an elf on Wednesday, and then she gonna wear white top and all white pants on Tuesday, all white stuff. And then she gonna have a Santa Claus hat on the 17th. Santa Claus hat on the 17th. And then, guys, ang main natin dito, guys, is yung winter attire niya kapag mayroon ng malakas or is a heavy snow. So, I bought for her a waterproof na gloves. Waterproof na gloves kasi she has this before, but she is already she's already big, and then it's very small for her, so I have to get a new one. And then yung boots din niya, guys, hold on, yung boots niya, guys, yung boots niya from Kumbo, and then binilhan ko siya. Ito yung boots niya, guys, para pwede din ito bring to isusuot for school or in the winter, para maglaro siya ng snow, sliding snow or sliding or snow, para maglaro sila doon sa labas without wetting themselves. So, next, guys, is yung pants. Is a snow pants. A snow pants. Is a snow pants, guys. Pink siya, guys. A snow pants. Is a waterproof. Binilan ko siya ng malaki ba, just to make sure sa susunod na taon masuot pa ito, kasi oh my god, sayang ang pera, guys. Mahal, guys, mahal. Oh Lord God. And then you're gonna try and show them, okay? Go and take your clothes off to go down there. And then next, guys, is a
I have to take my clothes off.
Because you have to, but don't look up there. You have to wear that before you come and see in the camera. And next, guys, is a snow waterproof. That is a partner to the pants, the snow coat, para hindi siya mabasa kapag ma-melt ang snow, and when they are sliding the sled or sliding the snow. Yeah, pants. So guys, yun na guys, kapag mayroon kang anak dito guys, you gonna prioritize, at saka iba pa yung mga Christmas gift and everything else. And then here you go guys. Ito na guys, ito na yung costume ng anak ko guys. She is ready to have a snowball. The coat, and then the coat, and then the boots, the waterproof, and then the gloves, and then the jacket, the winter jacket, and the hat. Okay? And then we're gonna go and get a sled, a snow sled, para maglaro sila sa labas without para hindi ito mabasa. So ito na guys, mahal ito guys, pero you cannot say no if you have your own child, not if they are happy for it. So you just gonna come there and work overtime para masaya, at saka they will experience the memories, and then at least if mayroon kang makakaya, bibilhin mo. Kapag wala din. You know what I mean? Kasi once that one a year may mag-snow, kung minsan walang snow. So at least this time, kasi guys, every time na mag-snow guys, I always bought for her something like that. But it's not the waterproof. So ngayon, she is soaking wet, and then magkasakit siya guys. So now guys, she's bigger now. So binilhan ko siya ng ganyan, at saka I will buy more bigger, so that maybe next year, kapag hindi siya masyadong lalaki or palaki ng palaki, and then she can still wear those. You know what I mean? Because here guys, mahirap maghanap ng pera unless mayaman ka talaga. So here you go guys, somebody is ready to play the snow and get some snow sled in a few weeks or few days. So are you excited?
Yes!
Yes, somebody is excited. Here you go. And then may snow sled din siya guys, pero hindi ko pa nabili kasi ino-order ko pa later. I have to take picture on you. So ito na yun guys, her Christmas weekdays in school attire. And then ito na yon. Kaya nga sabi ng asawa ko, why you have to go and get everything what the ones required? I say it's fine. Sometimes we participate in what the teacher, the schools wants. You know what I mean? It's not every time, every day. If I can, I will. You know what I mean? So that naman, makikita din ng teacher natin yung mga participation. You know what I mean? So that's how it goes. Kasi in school guys, when I was in school, I always go and offer myself, hey ma'am, I want to do this, do that. So when I come home, pagalitan ako ng nanay ko, oh my God, ang mahal-mahal. Bakit nag-offer ka sa sarili mo? Ganito. So I want to go and let her participate in school stuff as much as I can. O kapag maka-afford lang ako at saka may pera ako, then I will. Para hindi niya maranasan na kikikaka, yung mga sabi-sabi ng nanay ko na ganito, bakit ganyan, bakit ganito. So here you go guys, that's all for today. All I just vlog this is my outfit for my daughter's Christmas events, and then her snow costume attire when the snowfall is come. So guys, Once again, this is Pinay Pai sa American Vlog. Thank you for watching sa mga kabuang nako nga mga premiere o mga vlog. Salamat sa suporta. I love you guys. Don't forget, this is Pinay Pai sa American Vlog. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you and have a good day. Advance Merry Christmas.
Mommy, I'm about to melt.